Hello students, how are you? So in the previous video we have learned about the types of vectors and also learned about the vector quantities and scalar quantities. Okay. Now we are going to solve exercise 10.1. Okay. This is the question from the exercise 10.1. Have you understand? Okay. Without wasting time, we are going to start this question 1. Represent graphically displacement of 40 kilometers from north to east at 30 degrees. So first of all, give the axis of directions: north, south, east, west. Now from northeast, so northeast 30 degree. From north to east, how much? 30 degree. Okay, understand? From north to east, so we give the direction from north to east. Okay, and this is the graphical representation of that. Suppose in the question it was given that from east to north, then how can we draw? Then we draw as north, south, east, west. East to north, east to north, to north, 30 degree. In this way we are able to draw this. Okay. Now in the second question it is given that we have to find out that from the measurement, uh, tabulate the vector quantities and scalar quantities. Some quantities are given in the question number 2, and we have to tabulate in vector quantities and in the scalar quantities. Okay, start. Question number 2. Question number 2, tabulate in scalar and vector quantities. Okay, first is 10 kg, second is 2 meter from north to west. Okay, understand? Third, 40 degree. Fifth, 40 watt. Fifth, 10 pound minus 19 coulomb. Sixth, 20 meter per second square. Okay, these are the measurements by which we have to give the scalar quantities and the vector quantities. Understand? First of all, 10 kg. 10 kg is a measurement of weight. Is there any direction? Is weight have a direction? No. So this is the scalar quantities. 2 meter from north to south. We have to go 2 meter from north to south. Here is the direction, so it is the vector quantities. 40 degree, there is no any direction, so it is the scalar quantities. 40 watt, this is the unit of power. Power have not direction, so it is a scalar quantities. Coulomb, 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb, this is also a scalar quantity because there is no any fixed direction. 20 meter per second is the acceleration. This is the unit of acceleration. Acceleration is the vector quantity. Okay, in this way we are able to tabulate in the scalar quantities and the vector quantities. Have you understand? Okay, now let us start the third sum, which is given in. Okay, now third sum. What is the third sum? Tabulate in scalar and vector. Okay, now time interval. Second is distance. Third is the force. Fourth is the velocity. Fifth is the work. So it is the scalar. It is also a scalar. Vector, because there is a force. Velocity, this is also a vector because there is a displacement, not distance. In velocity, we have to draw displacement, and displacement is the vector quantity. Work, scalar quantity. In this way, we are able to solve question number 1, 2, and 3. Last two sums are remaining, and we have to solve. We will solve in the second video, in the next video. Okay.